Okay, now that I have beaten the game, I want to show you some little secrets here. And you can tell I beat the game because it's got these little buzzle beetle things down here running like crazy. But throughout the game, I've been calling out my fireworks, and I want to tell you the secret. I'm going to show you the secret real quick. I'm going to show you how you determine whether you get fireworks on here when you're going onto the flagpole. Okay, so this is how you can tell if you're getting fireworks. You see the timer at the top? The last digit has to be 1, 3, or 6. I'm gonna do a 6. Bam, 6. See, 336. So I'm gonna get 6 fireworks. So if that last digit is 1, 3, or 6 in the time, you're gonna get fireworks. That's how you're determining whether you get fireworks. And since I'm not editing none of these, I can show you some more secrets here. Well, I'll just show you that one.